How's it going, everyone? Out here fixing to pull a queen out of there and put it in our observation hive. Wanted to go by over what the observation hive is. We get asked questions about it and where we get one and everything. So main bee stores, they supply them. I think this one is either a man lake or a date ant one. I can't remember which one. We bought them from both. Both are very good. We've also had some built. We have several of them. But we like to travel with these everywhere we go. Markets and summertime up to classes, you know, for people that can't make it out to like our teaching yard for a class or something. Then we travel with these, and these come in real handy. We go to schools with them. We take them to different clubs. We gone to people's homes for them, birthday parties everywhere. So what you're looking at up here is a single frame. So one frame will go in here. We take the frame that the queen is on, excuse me, and we put her up here. And as you can see, there's a queen excluder down here, so it keeps her here. And then that way people can come in here and they can see through this plexiglass right here. This particular observation hive sits on top of a nuke box, and it has a screen bottom here, and you can also put that little corrugated plastic down and keep it where it's not open. I like to keep it open, especially for kids, because we'll get this and we'll put 5 frames down here and then the queen up here. And when those hives are, you know, big and a lot of bees in here, I like to lift this up like this and let the kids listen to the bees underneath, and they can really hear them, you know, and they love it and stuff. So that is one really big part who we are. We love the education part of Sweet Singers, showing people the bees and stuff. So I'm gonna get in here. We're gonna pull the queen out of this one and we're gonna put her in here. I don't think she's marked and stuff. I got my dogs out here with me. This is Scout, aka Fat Boy, and he's like our supervisor. He's an old dog. And there's Ace the Bee Man over there. And one thing about Scout right quick is we named him Scout, but we call him Fat Boy, and he's actually refers to Fat Boy more than Scout. And last year we were at the lake with our kids, and they were swimming with some other kids, and I was yelling at Fat Boy to come here, and the parents of the other kids started talking about one of their sons. And so yeah, that was really awkward. So we definitely have to use Fat Boy in different or we have to understand where we're at before we use them. But dogs are out here having a great time. So let me get them in and I will show you what it looks like when it's set up. All right, so we put the queen up here. She's somewhere up here. She might be on the other side now. I'm not for sure. I don't even know if you guys can see that, the glare and stuff. We didn't put any more down here because they're building up. I want everything in here. She's just going to be out for a couple hours. We ended up taking her out of this hive instead of this one. This one is queenless, and so that was an overlook, but we need to get a queen in there. And so we took the queen out of here, and then this is one valuable lesson why we have resource hives. These are called resource hives right here. And we pulled a frame of brood with eggs and young larvae and some cap brood, and we put it in that little apame there to buy us some time. And if we needed to, we could always pull a queen out of there, but we're not in queen rearing season yet. I have some 3-frame mating nukes in another yard, so we will definitely be bringing a queen out to this hive, get her going and stuff. We definitely don't want no queenless hives and stuff. So we usually don't pull our observation hives out of other people's yards. We always usually do it in our backyard. This is out of our observation or out of our teaching yard though. The reason is is I distributed all of our bees out of my backyard to others that needed some beehives around for some of their fruit trees that are coming in early to bloom. So we pulled them. This is the first time we have been without bees in my backyard in a long time. I mean, as long as I can remember. So it's kind of weird not having them there, but you know, the teaching yard is not too far from my house, so that is good. Alrighty, well, that's just a little bit about our observation hives, how we use them, what we do with them, and everything like that. So they come in very handy for those that want to get into the teaching side of things. Alrighty, well, hope you guys have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.